glue from the land of giants, an easel from the land of the dwarves, and Miss Smith with a magic wand that can change the size of things. Watch weird ideas of Minnie and Maxie school supplies in our new video. Miss Smith is tired of teaching. She falls asleep with a magic wand in her hand. She shouldn't have done that. We take the magic wand away quietly. The magic class is going to begin. We want to change our class interior design while Miss Smith is napping. For starters, let's diminish the school board. Oops, I missed the target and accidentally shrink a cactus on the teacher's desk. Paint the inside of a clear plastic cap. Paint a small, elongated stone in a bright green color. Make thin stripes on it lengthwise with white paint, and paint spines on each stripe. Knead brown, air-dry clay and put it into the cap. Stick the tiny stone cactus into the clay. My friend is so clumsy. I take the magic wand away from the blue-eyed girl and hit the target. The school board is getting smaller right before our eyes. Miss Smith falls while sleeping. What's happened? Her entire backbone is gone. Where is the school board? It's turned into its mini replica. Mix 1 part of plaster of Paris with 2 parts of water. Add green acrylic paint. The amount of paint should be twice as much as the amount of plaster mixture. Stir the ingredients until you get a milkshake consistency. Apply the mixture to thick cardboard. Shape a rectangle. Make a few layers and let it dry. When the paint dries nicely, cover it with chalk so that it will be easy to write on it. Shade the school board with chalk and wipe it off with a dry sponge. Cut out the green rectangle. We will need wooden coffee stirrers. Cut off the round ends. Glue 2 long sticks to the sides and 2 short ones to the top and the bottom. Paint them and the back side of the school board white. Attach 1 stick to the bottom to put chalk on. Hot glue 1 more stick to the back so that the board stands on a tripod. Cut a small piece out of a sponge and put it on the shelf. The school board has shrunk, and what's happened to the cactus? The teacher figures out at once whose work it is. She takes the wand away from us and turns the board back to its real size. And of course, she increases her evergreen plant right away. Miss Smith likes her cactus more than her students. Redhead makes a mistake during a test. Oops! If I cover it with correction fluid, no one will notice. But Miss Smith's sight definitely sharpens. A sweep of the magic wand, and a gigantic correction fluid appears in my hands instead of the regular one. Print out a correction fluid label and glue stick so that you could put it into the dispenser. Melt it over a candle and insert it instead of the tube. Cut the pump off the top.